Last year we made a video with some basic tips on starting to sell on eBay. If you've not seen it, there's a link in the description below for you to go and have a look. We thought we'd follow up on that video with some more in-depth and some might say secret tips that not everyone will tell you about. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring out new videos to help you make money. So let's get going with our 24 tips on how to make your eBay work better for you. 1. How to avoid incurring eBay's 4% fee. eBay's fees, which have evolved over the last few years, include introducing a new 4% fine for sellers who fall below their standards. It is therefore crucial to ensure that if you sell on eBay, that you maintain an above average rating. The 4% eBay will charge you is in addition to the final value fee incurred on each and every sale made. This information is displayed on the seller's dashboard, and we recommend that you keep a track on your ratings and maintaining your positive standing. 2. Use mass payment in order to compensate suppliers. PayPal typically charges around $3.50 plus a fixed 30 cents that you can alter based on these two things: the country the parties of the transaction are registered in and the size or quantity of their transaction. This is where PayPal's mass payment comes into action. This is not an option which they publicise, and they require you to contact them directly and ask for this. The advantages of this service is that the beneficiary does not pay a fee while allowing the vendor to pay a fixed price. 3. Automatically recover fees on unfinalised transactions. When you sell an item on eBay, you are charged a final value fee, but sometimes a customer has second thoughts and does not pay for that item, and in this case you are able to be reimbursed by eBay for the fee that they unjustly charged you. You can do this either manually or automatically by turning on your unpaid item assistant. 4. High ratings equals lower fees. eBay gives preferences to sellers who are highly rated by listing their sellers higher in search results, displaying the top rated plus seal in search results as well as in listing descriptions, and final value fees are discounted by 10%. That doesn't include shipping costs. These benefits will help you increase potential sales and increase your profit margins. 5. Understand your supplier's culture. We know this might sound strange, but you may have suppliers in foreign countries. It's crucial for you to understand how they work. For example, if your supplier is based in China, then make sure that you have enough stock to cover their new year, which is in February, and some companies close for up to 3 weeks. In Europe, around Christmas and New Year, companies might close for 2 weeks. So just be aware of the companies you are dealing with and plan in advance your orders. 6. Source suppliers you've met. The best way to find reliable dropshipping suppliers is at exhibitions. Meeting them in person has great advantages. It's easier to be a judge of a character in person. Only well-established and serious suppliers make the effort to come to these exhibitions. There are multiple suppliers there, so you can easily compare prices and services. 7. Work in bulk. One of the best habits you can adopt is working in bulk. Over time, sellers who master the bulk listing technique will gain a significant advantage by saving huge amounts of time, which can be dedicated to further expanding your business and gaining a competitive advantage. 8. Use Google Autocomplete. When searching in Google, a number of options appear in order to complete your sentence, with the top search queries out there related to keywords which you have typed in. Just as with Google, you can easily discover the most popular search words and phrases related to items you are selling using eBay search bar. This is a very powerful free tool which can help you understand what customers are currently looking for in your item categories. 9. Use trust signals. Shoppers on eBay are looking for different things. Some want the cheapest item possible, others want the hottest new product, no matter what the cost. But at the end of the day, every client wants to be sure that they are making a purchase from a trustworthy merchant who will supply a good quality product quickly. If a person does not have enough faith in your product or brand, they will skip your listing. In order to gain trust, consider adding a real image of yourself or your product, not an image you find in catalogues. Display positive feedback and reviews in your listings. Add product videos and customer testimonials. 10. Analyze your eBay messages. Messages you receive from current as well as potential customers are extremely important as they highlight something that you can use to optimize your listing. If something is not clear in your listing, for instance, this is a sales deterrent. Even if you are moving a lot of merchandise, customer concerns are a way of informing you what you can do and what you need to improve. 11. Fill in eBay item specifics. eBay works based on a search algorithm. Without the need to understand this in depth, it's fairly easy to grasp the idea that the more item specific you are and you provide to eBay search engine, the easier and more likely it is for your item to be displayed in search results. This is especially true when customers filter for items. If you do not fill in an item's specifics, your products are very likely to appear low in search results. 12. Collect emails for repeat business. Building a list of emails in order to promote repeat business is a crucial business tactic. It is a good assumption that someone who has purchased from you will be very likely to purchase from you again and safely falls within your target market. In order to make this simple for yourself, use eBay's templates under Marketing Tools, Email Marketing. 13. High conversion rate equals high search results ranking. The conversion rate is determined by the number of sales divided by the number of people who have viewed your product listing. For example, if you have 5 sales out of 100 visits, then your conversion rate is 5%. But if 20 people buy, then your conversion rate is 20%. Consequently, the higher your conversion rate, the higher eBay will rank you in search results, as this is the key indicator of your relevance to what shoppers are looking for. 14. Don't use promotional listings for slow-moving items. There are 3 main instances in which you should be promoting listings: increasing the sales of already popular items, increasing sales of items which sell relatively well, and gaining momentum for new items you are introducing. You should not be wasting any time and money on slow-moving inventory. It is simply an ineffective waste of resources. 15. Utilize eBay's charity with free combined shipping. Some sellers take advantage of the option on eBay to donate all proceeds from a sale or auction to a charity. Once in a while you can offer an item for sale where all the proceeds go to charity and simultaneously offer free combined shipping, meaning that once someone buys an item for the charity, they may want to take advantage of your free combined shipping offer. Even if they do not buy an additional item, this is a great way for people to become familiar with your items and may very well become future customers. 16. Modernize your inventory search. Consider downloading the eBay app, which will allow you to scan the barcodes of any items, new or used, and determine its value based on recent sales. Simply download the app, scan the barcode, and click the Sold Items filter in order to bring up similar items they have recently been sold. Scroll down and click Sell One Like This, and eBay will automatically fill in all the relevant info for you. Many people are not aware of how useful this app is and can be used as a great tool and can allow you to hunt for bargains and receive up-to-date real-time data, which can help you determine if a product has a good profit margin and resale value. 17. Focus on benefits, not jargon. You want to focus on benefits your item provides for a customer and not the features your product possesses. For example, if you are selling a shoe that's comfortable and good for people with bad feet, then tell them these benefits and only after discuss the fact that it has inset gels and cushioning, etc. Remember, benefits to consumer, not jargon. 18. Use eBay's business policy. Business policies are detail specific for yourself in listings regarding payment, shipping and return. Instead of creating these policies manually, each time you list a new item, you can mix and match these policies, which you have already created, and apply them to your new listing. These policies will allow you to mainly edit and update all your listings simultaneously and apply your policies to listings in bulk. 19. Offer free shipping. People want things fast and obviously love a freebie. It goes without saying that even if you have to increase the product price itself, it pays to offer free shipping. That is to say, the illusion of shipping costs being free is enough in order to gain more customers. Extensive research has been done and free shipping increases conversion rate. 20. Ask for feedback. Ask customers to give you feedback regarding their purchase and experience and satisfaction with your product. Research again shows that you need as little as 20 people to provide you with feedback in order to gain 90% of what you need in order to improve. 21. Provide the customer more information than they request. Make sure to offer customer more information than they ask for or expect. For example, if a woman asks if a skirt you are selling which is a small will fit her, even though she is a medium, instead of simply replying yes or no, you may want to say that although it is advertised as a small, the skirt sometimes happens to be larger than most smalls on the market. Additionally, you could measure it and give them this information to see if it would fit. This type of engagement with a customer will put them at ease and may very well be the difference between making a sale and losing a customer. 22. Don't rely solely on eBay. Diversify your selling channels. If you only sell on eBay, you should make it your goal to sell on another channel within a year. Putting all your eggs in one basket is very risky, especially due to policy changes and updates on eBay. 23. Look at your competitors' feedback. Going through your competitors' feedback will indicate to you what your target customers' key concerns are with specific products you might be selling. You can preempt these concerns and undercut your competition. 24. Timing is everything. On eBay, this is very true from the time of year and even the day and hour. Obviously, sell seasonal items in the correct season, swimming items in summer, and Christmas items in November, December. Also consider the demand factor. If you sell merchandise for a sports team or a film franchise, then keep an eye on when games are, especially cup games, or when the latest film is coming out. In terms of days and time, Sunday evening is eBay's busiest time for purchases, as most people are not working. Consider ending an auction at this time, when bidding wars may erupt and drive your product price up. Avoid ending auctions at 4 a.m. in the middle of the week, when very few people are active. We hope these 24 tips will help you grow your eBay channel even more. Keep an eye out for more videos every week to help you make money and get the life that you want. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.